Okay, no more cussing, Daddy.
No, Joe.
I can't see him.
I can't now.
He's hiding. Duke's hiding under Noah.
Okay. Duke, don't let him bully you. He's just a puppy. Duke, get him. Get him, Duke. I've only seen Duke get mad once.
Joe, quit being a jerk.
Daddy, put this in a so they can play with it.
No.
I want you to carry me.
No.
Dad, why is there sunburn all over you?
Because Mommy didn't put on sunscreen very good. Stop, Garrett.
That was cold.
You're so cute. Little puppy was so nice. Oh, I love you so much.
Uh-oh, someone's jealous.
Molly, they go give me a drink, please.
Go get your own drink.
Thank you.
Lazy?
I smell like a dog.